Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Longbow Lake, a peaceful spot just east of Kenora, Ontario. This area has been a favorite getaway for fishing, boating, and cottage life for generations. Longbow Lake got its name from the shape of the lake, which bends gently like an archer's longbow. The lake is part of the larger Lake of the Woods watershed, a region rich in Indigenous history and known for its pristine waters and abundant wildlife. In the early 1900s, families from Kenora would escape to cabins here, enjoying the quiet away from the busy lumber and mining towns. Today, it's still a beloved spot for anglers looking to catch walleye and northern pike, or for anyone just wanting a calm paddle on glassy waters. You'll find small resorts and campgrounds dotted along the shoreline, many of them family-run for decades. Longbow Lake is close enough to Kenora for a quick drive, but far enough to feel like you're deep in cottage country. Whether you're here for a fishing trip or a quiet lakeside retreat, Longbow Lake is a perfect place to unwind. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Longbow Lake, Ontario.